Making money online shouldn't be complicated. It's way easier than you might think. All you need is just two things. And if you give me just 40 seconds, I will share with you exactly what is the two things and how you can replicate our profitable business with just a few clicks. You see, for a long time, gurus made it a secret how they made money and overcomplicated everything. But what if I told you that it's way easier than you can ever think? All you need is 1, a website or a store to sell something, 2, traffic to buy that thing from you. That's it. That's all we did to make $34,495.23 last month. But here is the issue. Almost every beginner in your position will get lost trying to create their store. What platform to use, how to set it up, what product to promote, how to write the description. And before you know it, you will end up paying hundreds of dollars a month for apps that promise to do it for you. And I don't need to tell you that they will only overcomplicate things for you. But even if it's only half the solution, because now you will be left with a store with zero traffic. You will need to spend a small fortune on ads to start getting customers. It's a nightmare. But what if I told you there's another way, a better way, a way that we've been using to generate AI-powered affiliate stores? Button below and get instant access to Supreme, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike from Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software for you that has to do with ChatGPT, and this one is called Spoon by Mbadiwe, and it's going live on the 24th of March 2023 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And this one in a nutshell is an application that actually generates AI affiliate stores and instantly drive food buyer traffic to these stores. Imagine having the ability to use this application to create e-stores online and of course volume it with goods that you are actually selling on the stores, which can range from different prices, and you'll be able to get this drive traffic to that very link, and of course be able to get affiliate generated products, and you'll be able to actually make money online. This is an amazing one from Mbadiwe, and it's called Spring, and it's an amazing one actually because it has a lot to do with ChatGPT, and it is an open AI artificial arrangement which is going to actually create these app stores for you, which you can use in your affiliate programs, and all that you have as products. It's an amazing product, I can tell you, and you can see if you stick with me, I will show you the amazing bonuses I have for you. At any point you decide to get this one, use the first link below in my description, where that link will bring you to this very bonus page where you grab a copy with this link, and of course any of the other links, purple colored links scattered over this page, and of course you'll be able to have access to this very one. I will also show you the members area, the software dashboard itself, and you'll be able to also see the sales page, and then we show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which it has about 2 bonuses for you today, 2 pages of bonuses. I'll show them to you, all of that to you in due course, and that will be towards the end of this review, and you'll be able to have all these super products as bonuses and training courses, and also a second page of bonuses that's going to give you so much more values, and all this will be waiting for you in our Wow Plus account. Okay, so now let us go deeply into this very one. This is exactly what Spoon is all about. Spoon is an AI. It's better described that it works like ChatGPT, and this app generates AI affiliate stores and instantly drive traffic, buyer traffic to that very site in less than 30 seconds, probably more than that. And it can happen in any niche without experience, and you have a true artificial intelligence app. Spoon is about to take the market by storm, and it is the first true AI application that will create profitable affiliate stores for your customers without any technical setup, and you don't have any hosting demands, and of course without domain, because everything is inbuilt in this very one dashboard, and without running ads. Of course you can drive traffic to this very site and make your sales, and of course you can always have your affiliate banners there installed, which you can get attention to, and of course that means getting the clicks you need to actually make money online. Okay, traffic is everything, and this is going to drive buyer traffic on its own to itself after creating the affiliate stores. So that's the good thing about this one. Let us see the very sales page together and scroll and see if it's going to make any meaning to you. And like some of the benefits say, it says you can work in any niche. 100 out of the 100 digital casters made money the same day using Spoon, and it is beginner friendly. You have 90-day money back guarantee, and therefore store, no hosting or domains required, no experience is needed, and you get paid $300 if you fail with GP Talk, and of course you get paid to sell digital products without ads, saturation proof, and zero upfront cost. This is one of the benefits that you have with this very Supreme. Some of them actually, and you'll be able to make use of all that, and these are some of the testimonials from people who have beta tested this product and made money according to the Ramana on the same day, and you can always attest to that at your convenience. When you come here, you'll be able to read through this and see the last 7 days. This is supposed to be the amount made, and have last week you have this amount. So it looks good to me, but it can only be discovered if we take action and put this into practice. Okay, first step to getting this done for you is just to enter your niche and click generate, and you can also take the second step, which is about traffic, which you are going to see in the dashboard later, the traffic engine, where you can actually generate traffic to this website created by AI for affiliate stores, where you have affiliate products, banners, and everything installed, and you have all this as proofs from the people who have been able to use this very model of business to make money online using this product as beta testers. Okay, so that's what you have, and you'll be able to come across some of these things. You can read at your convenience and see the pros and cons, and what you get if you get this very kind of service on Shopify. You'll be able to have like $19, and you have $49 and $299 depending on the class. Advanced is $299, and Shopify normal is $49, and the basic is $19. And this is, a subscription payment that you pay every month, every year, as long as you are on Shopify. But Supreme makes it possible for you to create similar stores without having to actually pay monthly subscriptions, because you have one-time payment and lifetime access to Supreme dashboard, where you can create your sites. And of course, on any niche, you can have different sites for different niches: fitness, food, everything you can do with this one. Okay, it's actually very flexible, as long as I see in the dashboard and read through the sales page, which you have the convenience of reading when you arrive here. Anytime you click any of the links in my bonus page when you arrive here, it will take you to this sales page, where you actually see a button that's going to help you pick up a copy of Spoon for yourself. I think we found one, something like this, which has similar button as in my bonus page. Okay, so you see you have all the things you need. Instead of wasting more time on this, we are going to have to go forward with the review, and I leave the perusal of this very sales page to you when you arrive here. But for now, let us exactly visit my bonus page and see the pricing for him, and then we can go from there. Okay, the front end for Supreme goes for $17 actually, and you have access to this very dashboard area. Okay, we will go into the dashboard area as soon as we finish with this bonus, this pricing. Okay, the Supreme Unlimited, which is the OTO number 1, will be $39, and here you generate unlimited buyer traffic with one click, and you create as much stores as you want, which means everything is basically unlimited. So that's what you have for $39. It's advisable to get the unlimited version of the front end, so that you have everything covered. And of course, if you want the OTO number 3, which is this, the Supreme Done For You edition, it goes for $197. That means the tech team of this very launch is going to upgrade you in a way that everything is set up for you, done for you. All you need to do is to relax and get affiliate sales, and of course make your money transferred or to PayPal or Wise or any other payment institution you are using to collect the money. Okay, so you have this one as a Supreme machine. It goes from 197 as well. But before that time, you have the autopilot, which is autopilot traffic, goes for $29. You have Supreme machine, $197. You have Supreme done for you store, $197, because everything is basically done for you. And you have Supreme agency and reseller for $47. That means you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep profit across the entire funnel. And you have the Supreme bundle that goes for $39. And with this very upgrade, you get access to 4 incredible apps for a one-time low price of this very upgrade, which is Supreme bundle edition. Okay, so that's what you have, and you have basically 90 days money back guarantee according to the sales page. But here you can see I omitted to put 90. You have 30 here, but definitely it's 90 days and 3 months money back guarantee for Supreme from Nkataramon. Now let's see the amazing dashboard area. This is the dashboard area, and this is the training video which you are going to watch in order to know how this works when you arrive at the members area, the dashboard. And then this one is going to be the store builder. If you create store, here you can always put your own, like the one I did before I came for the review is AI content, and I simply actually build a store. Okay, and then you put an email address of your choice. Let us change for AI Supreme. It has to be one word. AI Supreme. AI Supreme, for example, you build your store, and it says it has it successfully created. Okay, so you have to look for it and see if it's there. AI Supreme. Okay, are you sure it created the store? Okay, that's it. That's exactly it. Okay, so you have it here. If you click on it, it's going to actually open you up to another page where you see the categories and you see the search engine. You can search anything at your own convenience, and then of course that takes us back to the AI content, which is where you create the content that you desire. For example, if I want AI content, for example, I can say how to make money. For example, you search. It's going to actually do the magic that is going to bring out a content from this AI, which is going to generate how it constructs content for you, which you can turn into video or actually use as a blog, as you desire, or in your teaching or professional. You can always take a look at this if it comes true, and you'll be able to see what it generates. Now you see, offer products or services, put together an informative webinar to generate leads, and then use the webinar to promote products or services that your viewers can benefit from. So you see, it gives you the strategy you are going to use to actually create information that is going to create value, which others is going to actually make use of. Because where there is value, there are people to consume that value. That's exactly what it does. That's for AI content. Here you have AI graphics. I can always search for example, office tables, and then search is going to come up with a list of tables that will blow your mind actually, because I think I did it before I come on the review, and you see the related images that has to do with the keyword that I use, which is office tables. So you see, it's going to give you amazing, clear, crystal images of office tables that you can actually make use of. You can search anything of your choice, fitness, whatever, and then here you have access to the traffic engine, which is where you register, and then you log in and you have access to your traffic engine, where traffic is automatically generated to be able to be driven to this very site you are creating with these very buttons. And that exactly brings us to the end of the review of the members area. I will leave the link to this very video where you see this product in action, or how it is done. You'll be able to see that in the description of my video, which you are watching as we speak. And then for that, let us go back to my bonus page so that we'll take a look at the 2 pages of bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 in this page will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. This is Spoon is about affiliate AI stores and having access to the knowledge of what affiliate marketing is and how you can best practice, put it into practice, you'll be able to make this very training course. And now the bonus number 2 will be 17 bonuses in a bonus vault, product vault actually, that has 17 products, which gives you access to training courses and software that are going to give you one capability or the other. And you have a commission toolbox which has over 1,000 tools that you can use online. 1,000 links, over 1,000 links that you can use in one way or the other. And you have also the how to get traffic to any link of your choice, which actually is compatible with this very product, because you are driving traffic generated by the AI, and this one will be able to actually know how you can drive targeted traffic and other traffic to this very site that is being created by Stream. Okay, now my bonus number 5 will be 0 to 1,000 automation system on how to make 0 to 1,000 on autopilot per day, which is very, very good, which means there is a mechanism that actually drives free buyer traffic to any offer of your choice. So you'll be able to know exactly how you go about that. So that's what you have. At any point to make up your mind when you arrive here, if you pick up this very link, it will take you to the sales page, like I said, and you pick up the copy of this very Supreme using this button. When you do, it will definitely take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to Supreme, and here you have this one giving you access directly to this very bonus page and all the bonuses that you have listed here. And now that takes us to the second page of bonuses that I have for you, which you are not going to find anywhere else. And these are crazy training courses and software that are going to help you in one way or the other. If you want to make money online, Latitude may be where you begin, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. And you have bonus number 2, 3x, how to create traffic. Without traffic, there is no business. And you have bonus number 3, insurgency, a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also access to free buyer traffic with Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is about traffic. It has to do with Spring. You have also bonus number 5, the JavaScript commission bot, which is going to give you a bot that's going to actually help you drive traffic to any offer or affiliate link of your choice. And you also have 6 lockdown formula, a training courses on how you can build a business online digitally using affiliate marketing or any other niche for that matter, but you will be able to know how to start and scale your business online. So that's what you have there. And you have also the commission toolbox, which I told you already. Okay, so you have amazing nearly 30 bonuses from me, and this very page on Google Doc is going to be sent to you by email when you buy this product using my link, and that will automatically bring us to the end of this very review. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning customer, I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.